everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is Jeulia Day. They've sent me 2 pieces to show you today. Plus I'm going to talk about this beautiful hair coming up. As you know, I've been a rep with Jeulia.com for many years now. I always enjoy their jewelry. It's a small artisan jewelry group. It's very personalized. You're bound to find something that you'll absolutely love. Be sure to go below the video, expand the description box, and check out the links there. There's actually a link there to all of the pieces that I have reviewed by Jeulia. So you can click on that link, it'll take you out, you can see all the details. And today we're gonna explore a ring and some beautiful earrings. But first, I wanna tell you what hair I'm wearing. I'm wearing the brand new Raquel Welch's Model Mode in RL1222SS, which is shaded cappuccino. Oh, it just doesn't get any more luxurious than this, especially when I'm bringing out my sweaters and turtlenecks and my fall boots. I'm in love with this color. It's a beautiful brown with a lot of chunky blonde highlights in it. It's not too cool, it's not too warm. It's just perfect. It's about 20 inches and it features a lush, decadent density. And that just gives a lot of bounce and buoyancy to these beautiful curling iron curls. And it would look even more gorgeous when you put it up into something a little bit more sophisticated for the occasion. But today is about a couple of pieces of jewelry that I am so excited to share with you. Now, Jeulia.com is running sales all through the season. Those links are below as well. And if you decide to purchase something from Jeulia.com, be sure to use my rep code, which is TERRAZ15 for 15% off. So I am in love with stars this month because I was sent 2 star themed pieces in gold. And a lot of times I find myself wearing a lot more silver and not enough gold pieces. I love sterling silver. It's more hypoallergenic. It lasts and lasts, and it makes for a nice solid quality piece. So the first piece that I'm showing you today is a ring. It's called the Jeulia Square Star Signet Sterling Silver Ring. It has a gold finish to it, but I love it. It's got just a little bit more of a sort of a masculine kick to it. So the front is square. And then you're going to find, let's see, 4 stars embedded in that gold finish. And it is, let's see, we've got a blue sapphire, a green peridot, is that how you say that, peridot? And then 2 white diamonds flanking the sides. So it's a nice substantial piece. It's not heavy. And I ordered it in a size that would fit my other fingers aside from the ring finger, because it seems like my fingers are all different sizes. I don't know about you, but I like to be able to wear rings on other fingers as well. And I love the gold. So normally, like I say, I like silver, but this particular gold on this ring is a little more muted. It's not super shiny. This looks really high end. Now, I also have some star earrings. My favorite earrings, and I was introduced to these by Jeulia. And I think I have all of the threader earrings that they sell. So these are the Jeulia Dancing Star threader earrings. They're sterling silver in a gold finish. They're inlaid with a lot of the proprietary white diamond stones, synthetic white diamond stones by Jeulia. And I think this one retails right around $99 and the ring retails right around $95. But again, that is before any discounts are applied. But I just love it. And when they came out with these brand new star threader earrings, I had to have them. And they do dance. They just move so beautifully. If you've ever tried the threader earrings, some threader earrings you can adjust. Like you can wear them asymmetrically because you could pull it through at different lengths through that ear hole. But on this one, it has a little brace, a little area that pulls through the ear. And what that will do is keep it from falling out or shifting. So these are going to be perfectly symmetrical at all times. And I find them very comfortable to wear. They're not too heavy and they're easy to apply. I'm getting away from some of the stud type earrings where I have to apply a back to them. I just really enjoy these threader earrings and the fact that they dangle and sparkle. Oh my stars. And they're just gorgeous. Can you imagine having this hair up in a lovely updo with these dangly earrings? Perfect date night, don't you think? I'll have to ask my husband. So it's a Jeulia all-star day for me. I'm absolutely loving these pieces. Please check them out. Go below the video, expand the description box. Again, there will be links there. They're running sales all the time. You are bound to find something you'll absolutely fall in love with and gift giving season is just around the corner. So be sure to check out all of these beautiful options. And this beautiful hair you can find at Wig Studio One. Again, those links are also below. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at Taz's Wig Closet.